This plan by the government disclosed on the floor of the August House came given a question asked by the minority leader Kasalatu Forson on behalf of the MP for Pro East, Dr. Kwabena Donko, who had sought to know whether there is a conscious plan to make manufacturing the major thrust of employment creation beyond mining as well as oil and gas.
Of Dr. Kwabena Donko to ask the Minister for Trade and Industry whether there is a conscious plan to make manufacturing the major thrust of employment creation beyond mining as well as oil and gas.
The minister, in providing answers, explained that since the assumption of the NPP administration, the government has put in place a comprehensive framework for industrial transformation known as the 10-point plan, aimed at making Ghana the manufacturing hub of Africa.
I can confirm that there are indeed conscious and ongoing efforts to implement a well-laid-out plan to make manufacturing the major thrust of employment in Ghana beyond the extractive sector. Since the inception of the NPP administration, government has put in place a comprehensive framework for industrial transformation known as the 10-point plan, which is aimed at making Ghana the manufacturing hub of Africa.
He elaborated that it contains 10-point components, which are:
the 10-point plan consists of 10 components, namely the National Industrial Revitalization Program, otherwise called Stimulus Package. This is to facilitate access to medium and long-term capital for distressed but viable manufacturing companies to restore and enhance their production capacity and return the enterprises to profitability. The second one, Mr. Speaker, is the 1D, 1F initiative. I will give the details of, I think everybody is aware of. Mr. Speaker, the Strategic Anchor Industries Initiative, which consists, Mr. Speaker, of 10 specific programs. There's also the industrial parks and special economic zones. There is the small and medium enterprise development. There's the industrial subcontracted export development, domestic retail trade, business regulatory reforms, public-private dialogue mechanism.
However, domestic retail will enhance domestic retail trade through the promotion of made-in-Ghana products and by creating a level playing field for retail trade by enforcing domestic regulations. Additionally, the public-private dialogue will equally establish and institutionalize a permanent dialogue mechanism between the private sector and government. In this regard, the mechanisms established by government include the Presidential Business Summit and the CEO's Executive Forum. These components, he categorically stated, consist of interrelated interventions that constitute the critical success factors needed to achieve industrial transformation.
Speaker, these are the components of the interrelated interventions that constitutes the critical success factors needed to achieve industrial transformation in Ghana.